Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm currently on a rewire and I thought the best time to show you me chopping some sockets out would be now. So I've got everything here. We usually use 35mm metal back boxes, that's ready to go. As wall is marked. Probably can't see that because I'm using this silly yellow lead, which is actually okay for marking things. I can just see it. So that's going to be going there. We've got a chasing machine with a fancy blade there that cuts out the channel for us. So we'll use that to cut this box out. It does make a bit of a bigger hole, but we're getting plastered anyway afterwards, so it doesn't really make any difference. So we've got that. A couple of things that make this really easy. I've got obviously these deep back boxes. Once we've chased out with the chasing machine and using the dust extractor, which is one of these hose, I've got a nice wide chisel bit. Now that just gets me a nice flat area for me to drill my box to. I have got this thing, this funny weird thing. This sucks onto the wall and it'll suck all the dust up. Whilst I'm not using the chasing machine. It's really good just to get rid of that airborne stuff. Yeah, so let's see how long it takes me with all the kits. Of course, with transformer and cut out. Back in a second. Pretty much there now. Plugs, screws, piece of conduit to cut for going down there, and that is it. Knock that out, ready to go, and I will put this in just so that I know I'll get it level. And we're ready then just for I think that's it. Ready now, but conduit to cut. It's all here, isn't it? And that is now ready for when I wire. I'm going to tuck that down there for now. Ready for when I wire. Got this board up here. I just need to mess about drilling holes through joists, but that is pretty much it. The chase, it's lovely and flat when you do it like that. The big chisel really helps you guide it and make it flat. Before, when I use a smaller chisel, I use this at first time. Couldn't believe it, could not believe it. So, I couldn't believe how good it was. So yeah, that's it, but thanks for watching and please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you later.